Thank you very much. I'm happy, senang lah. Gitu.
It's very happy about the result.
Ya nggak juga, kan masih kayaknya ini pertandingannya ya, karena kan lo dibilang kurang bagus juga melihat hasil nilai.
It depends on the score. He think that it's not his best at all. He need more improvement.
Bagus kalau ada istilahnya kalau ada kompetisi kayak gini kan emang bagus gitu kan, jadi untuk melatih mental juga kan.
I think that it's a very good event, and he hopes that there are more event like this, because we compete with so many countries, so we can see which one, and we can learn from their techniques. So this is good.